Okay, so in the second video, we made a histogram with the data, and so I'm going to use that to make a box plot. And we're going to use the same data, and this time I'm just going to, we already put it in order in the last video, so I'm just going to write it down in order. We had 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 10, 11, 11, and 17. If your numbers are not in order and you're trying to make a box plot, your first step is putting them in order. Making a box plot, the only skill you need is finding the median. And you're going to find the median actually 3 different times. So let's find the median of the entire data set first. I'm going to use green to try to find that. And so one way to do it is to just go first and last, first and last. So here's the first number, last number, second number, second to last number, third, third to last, fourth, fourth to last, fifth, fifth to last. Guess what? We found the median. So the median is 5. And what that does is that splits the data set into 2 different pieces. There are the numbers that are smaller than 5, and then there are the numbers that are bigger than 5. There's a lower half and there is a bigger half. And then you find the median again. I'm going to use the color pink to do this again. What I'm going to do is just focus on the smaller half of the data, and I'm going to find the median. So I go first and last, first and last. There is our median of the small half. So the green number is called the median. The pink number is the median of the small half. If you do half of a half, you get a quarter. And this is called the first quartile. You'll see me write Q1 a lot, or I can write it out in words as the first quartile. Just means you are about 1/4 of the way through the data. Then let's play the same game. I'll use the color orange for the bigger half of the data. First, last, first, last, boom. And that is called the third quartile, Q3. Third quartile. Once you have those numbers, you have everything that you need to draw your box plot. The way that the box plot works is it has a line that starts at the minimum, then the box starts at the first quartile, then there's the middle of the box is the median, the end of the box is the third quartile, and the line touches the maximum. This is a bit of a weird example because if you notice our minimum number, our smallest number of 2 over here, is actually the same as our first quartile. That's okay. I'll show you how that works. And then our maximum number gets its own whisker. So let's draw our number line. And just like before, you want to try to be even as much as you can. So let's go 2, and then we'll count up by ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And because notice my minimum number of 2 is also my first quartile, I don't get a whisker on the left side. My box just starts right there at 2. Then the middle of my box is the median number, which is 5. So it looks like right about there. There is the value of the box. The larger quartile, the Q3 of 11, is the end of my box, like this. So this is all one big box. And then the whisker goes up to 17. In a lot of examples, you will have whiskers on either side. I just wanted to show you an example where the whisker was the same as the first quartile. So that's an example of how you make a box plot. Please feel free to ask for more videos if they would help you.